Igama lami ngiSanesiwe Akamphapu, ngina-18 years old. Ngifunda form 5 eManzini Central High School. Ngihlala eMkhulamini. My parents, my teachers, and my principal. Yes, they've motivated. They even called me and asked me if I am going there and say, I don't know, I still go to teachers because I'm writing. Yes, and they say, no, go there first, then you come back.
How did that make you feel this position? Everywhere.
I'm glad for having teachers that have kind of hearts, caring about others, especially their children, their teaching. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me throughout the year since I started running from last year. Yes, it's UDF.
UDF.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And now that so many sports can also change.
No, I won't give up. I'm willing to continue. Yes.
Mr. Chief, last week
ubala yona nje ethandeka asibusele sive emakhaya. Thina siyatrend Amanzini Central High School is a brand under Mr. DCD Nocela Colo Dlamini. Siyabonga nje wenkosi ukuthi asimotivatele labantwana ukuthi umfana kuhambe nawo wonke umgodlagodla. Dithelo sesiyadibona masinyane. Mpapho ukugijima oqala kade nefika la esikoleni since form 1. She's been running exactly like Zodwa. So siyabamotivate abantwana silokwendako kwendisise nawe eclassini kwendisi njengoba umbona njala sojake liphepha udadishile uready utimisela kakhulu and uyagijima uNkulunkulu umbusi sembamba ngoba thina nje sesibambe assembly la kunebhasi la igibela wathi pho transport ithi chamuke ngisho seyilapha sithi nayi seyimshile Zodwa asuke ngitubele assembly yabo lo mfana umphile ngulo ayikade ibhasi namhlanje ukushiye ngisho emadonsa uyabona ukuthi vele lento lapho yona uyisebenzisa profitably. Siyababongela kakhulu shem nama kwakhe nje ujabulile umndeni. Nathi as a school we are so much proud of our kids. Lokuphumelela nje empilweni siyathi kule Castanya lo ukuthi impilo ilikhulukwane. Ngeke ke sithi whatever opportunity that comes let us grab it as inkosi imemetile ukuthi labafuna ukuvikela live abavele baphamise etandla bomphathi. Principal aqhamuka ishintshe ukuthi manje
hayibo unebabi
emakhulu lambalwa nanga ujabulelwe nje nguprincipal ukuthi nakacha awumfanami so kutshengisa kona ukuthi we are so much proud of them.
Siyabonga Mr. Jisi give up studies. Fight for yourself. Fight for the person that you want to be. Make sure that you become an educated soldier. Ungafaniswa nokuthi wayekela school because you know what if you're an educated soldier you get
Sponsorship, promotions.
That's great.
So it would be nice inform
siyabonga nangona quality uyavela lapho ndandoda edula solo i-Central High andanzi ngidlala khafu ngicanga ukuthi nje sihlangu coaches what uyabona exactly ingokonke we provide everything for umbala umbala kanganzinzi nakabuye Central akaphume nako konke umgodla wakhe akawumema ahambe nawo sisho njalo nje Central High le ngoma noma leslogan slogan it is possible. Yes.
njengoba sekuvele
it is possible. Sekuvele kwentekile nangumphapu waphumelela. Yes, it is possible. Vision yethu nayo yalapha iphelele lapha. We have a mission statement. The vision is a disciplined school which excels spiritually, academically, and professionally. Develop learners holistically. As you can see, umntwana wethu ukhula kubo bonke. Then ke sihlabele ke sithi centrally. Hey wena centrally the bread. Kabashaya kamnanzi we central. Wabashaya. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.